come you haven't introduced our video yet?
So, alright, so.
Hello.
Hello and welcome. And welcome to Hardway Learning. Hardway Learning. On Hardway Learning. Today on Hardway Learning. Hey, didn't see you there. Today we're installing the... Today we are... What? We're gonna roll the fenders to fit these 25 mil offset wheels on here. And we're gonna need a... Hardway Learning. As Hunter was saying, use a full bottle. What you need to do is take the plastic off there.
That made not sleeping 100% worth it.
And in a couple years, we'll have this master cylinder out. Today we're doing the door card restorations. Today we are going to be installing the Miata front sway bar. Today we are fixing... Which way would I even turn this? Oh no.
What have you done?
As you can see, it's a bleeder. And today we are doing Kannonball 2018.
Time at 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. Oh man, this is a lot of stuff. I don't have my wallet though. I don't know where it is.
We're documenting. You got a change machine anywhere?
Of course they do. No, I'm just working on machines. This is a good call though.
Away. Time to keep slipping away. Zip in the safe. Flip whipping for pay.
All the way in. All the way in.
Alright, let's go. Ready?
3, 2, 1.
Yeah, go down, alright. They're not a patron, but that's fine.
I need my crown. And the crown.
Here, you take it.
Is this working?
I don't know, I gotta turn it to selfie if my phone would cooperate.
Here.
I got it.
This looks like a fucking goon.
A shifter rebuild kit. Alright, let's try this beast out. Oh, you gotta get this kit. Cobalt, it's been having an intermittent
Route card 1. Slippery's Bar and Grill. Sounds pretty good. She opens up a little bit.
Hey, we've heard you guys for 30 minutes going up those roads. Like that?
Seriously? That's awesome. That's an awesome spot.
We're here!
Damn, you guys got here faster than we expected.
Man. Yeah, we gotta fix our car.
It's not making good noises. Where do you actually want us?
Yeah, we are not ready for you guys yet.
So we heard some clunking on the front of the car, and it appears that we forgot to tighten a few bolts. And I say we, I mostly mean Kyle.
So now we're just kind of buttoning down all the stuff that we loosened first. As you can see, this should be a lot easier to install, so you can actually tighten down the subframe.
As the engineer and me being the driver, we know who's supposed to tighten shit. So we gotta tighten out. Would you take this off-roading, Dan?
Yeah. This is a runner. We're taking a little gravel back road here. Yeah, I believe so. Over here? Yep. Hang left here. Gravel? I don't know, that's what it says.
Good routing by Dan.
Yep.
You know, we're rolling at 85 miles an hour. We're getting passed by the sheriff.
Ah, there's a cone. I guess I don't have ABS.
Oh, I can smell that.
Should have paid attention to which way. Oh, this way. That's where we got the knife marks. So
That's the brights. The bulb that you just replaced is the brights. No! Don't step on that light bulb, it's good.